there are so many youth who want to go back to school, who want to participate in these opportunities available. But the congestion in these institutions discourages them. The communities we come from needs to be sensitized, because they find themselves victims of people who don't believe that it is possible to go back to school at some age. And that is why we want the local administration, the chiefs, the village elders, to look into this, or the DEOs of every area, to look into this and give us also the correct statistics of what is happening at the county level, so that we may look into it as leaders or in parliament and see why we should increase, or we prepare a budget for that section of Kenyan citizens.